Hello guys, welcome back to another video and welcome for the month of December. Yes, 2nd of December. This week will be hectic, I'm telling you already. We're gonna be having NFP, we're getting some USA data as well. So definitely stay tuned on today's video because we're gonna be looking at the week ahead. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up before we even go any further. Please do it because the majority of the people that watch us on the YouTube, they're not subscriber, and if you think we can't see that, we can actually see that, right? So subscribe yourself in, and thank you a lot for that. Okay guys, so last month of the year, December, Christmas is just around the corner and I'm a bit scared. Yeah, I'm a bit scared because I think inflation will go through the roof. I was on the shop with the missus on Saturday and Sunday, buying Christmas gifts and etc. And whoa, that was hectic. All right, we went on Westfield, one of the biggest shopping malls here in Sydney, that they have plenty of stores inside there. And we couldn't walk pretty much. We had to wait for people to move and then we walk. All right, and last year it wasn't like that, and the year before it wasn't like that. So what I'm looking at it and thinking about, I don't know if it's only in Australia or it may be outside of Australia, but people are spending. People are actually consuming. All right, they've saved up the whole last year, this year, and they are dumping that money onto stores. Okay, and look, I spent $500 like that, and it's crazy how quick $500 can become. I don't know, it may not be the reality of everyone, but if you go into one store, it's $100. If you go into another store, that's another $400, another $300. So it's crazy how things go, all right? But anyways, so I do believe we're gonna be getting some sort of inflationary moves in Australia. And for that reason, most likely the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, will have to hold the rates for this month as well. All right, and for next month as well, because remember, the data from this month, the CPI from this month, will only come in January, so we will only know the data for December in next month. Okay, right, so what do we have this week ahead? So we have retail sales, as I just told everyone, this morning 11:30 a.m. we had a much higher retail sales than what was expected. 0.6% from the consensus of 0.4% from the previous of 0.1%. So 0.5% higher than the previous and 0.2% higher than expected. Tomorrow we're gonna get manufacturing PMI and ISM Manufacturing PMI for USA. Both are looking to get some sort of uptick. So from 48.5, now consensus 48.8. And the ISM Manufacturing PMI 47.5 from previous, now consensus 47.7. Wednesday, we're gonna get GDP for Australia and JOLTS job openings for USA. Expected to have some sort of uptick on the JOLTS job openings from 7.443 million, now 7.490 million. And the GDP year-over-year Q3 for Australia is expected to increase 0.1, so from 1.0 to now 1.1%. Now, moving to Thursday, is when things starts to get some cool. We're gonna get ADP, non-farm employment, services PMI, ISM non-manufacturing PMI, crude oil investors, and then Fed Jerome Powell giving us a speech at 5 a.m. 45 on Thursday in Australia time. Okay, so look. I think Wednesday and Thursday is when we're actually going to get some moves, but the whole week, this is only the major news, all right? If you want to know news data by data, be sure to register yourself for the webinar tomorrow, all right? It's free, we don't charge anything from 5 to 6 p.m. Make sure to go into the description of the video and click in the link and you will be redirected to the page where you can sign in to the webinar. All right, register yourself for the webinar. And then of course on Friday we're going to have non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, and initial jobless claims. Look, things are looking pretty, it has to be looking better than the last one, because it can't be worse than that. If it's worse than that, then, whoa, I don't know what to expect anymore from USA. But look, USA has been having some strong data from last month, so most likely we're going to be having some workforce, some labor hires, so we can most likely expect some sort of good good numbers from the NFP. I'm expecting a continuation from strong US dollar and continuation downwards from euro dollar, continuation down as well from Australian dollar, and especially on the euro. All right, euro has been very, very weak. We've had some comments from Isabel Sanchez and on a hawkish tone, but unfortunately euro dollar opened up the session this morning with gap to the downside. All right, guys, be ready tomorrow. I see you there. Rest yourself. I hope we have a beautiful month ahead, good week ahead as well. Trade safe, use risk management, and if you have any questions, put down in the comments. Leave us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I see you tomorrow on the webinar, or I see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.